A lot of UPSC aspirants want to build their career in the tech side of things. They are interested and passionate about it. Now, there are many such routes, many ways to get into it, where you can directly leverage your UPSC preparation combined with some other basic skills. Artificial intelligence, you will find various roles, more application driven roles like AI product management. Your work is about identifying those opportunities, taking help of AI team to ensure that it is implemented properly. Now, the world of artificial intelligence and data science has evolved. A lot of new roles which are coming into picture. Hello everyone, I'm Jigyasu Agrawal, founder of Rebounds, which is India's only organization working exclusively in the UPSC Plan B space from last 3 years. Till now, I have interacted with thousands of UPSC aspirants and found one common concern. A lot of UPSC aspirants want to build their career in the tech side of things. They are interested and passionate about it, but they feel that the tech sector demands a lot of coding. If they are not a pro in that, they cannot build a career in it. Or many of them also feel that whatever they learned and developed during UPSC preparation will go to waste if they develop their career in the tech sector, especially in the areas of data science and AI. That is a big myth. Now, the world of artificial intelligence and data science has evolved. The role of coding alone is reducing, and there are a lot of other things which are coming into picture. A lot of new roles which are coming into picture, and various avenues through which you can directly leverage your UPSC knowledge and preparation and to build your career in those domains. In this video, I'm going to talk about 10 rules in this space of data science and AI. Many of them where you can directly leverage your UPSC knowledge, obviously combine it with some other skills. So be with me till the end of this video. I'm sure you will benefit immensely. On that note, let's begin. So when we talk about some of the roles in artificial intelligence, now the artificial intelligence, which was largely nowhere before maybe half a decade, has grown exponentially in this time period, and hence nowadays you will find very diverse type of roles within the artificial intelligence domain. Earlier, we were aware only about 3 roles in the data science: data analyst, business analyst, and data scientist. But now within the artificial intelligence, you will find various roles, more application driven roles like AI product manager. So nowadays, there are various AI products. So you can, number one, develop a product complete end to end using artificial intelligence. So as AI product manager, you develop various projects using AI. And you also develop some of the AI related products. So you define the AI products, what should be the features of it. You coordinate with various teams for it. You understand this customer psychology. Whenever you talk about product management role, you have to understand the customer psychology to design the products. As an example, when I say products, it's like app of Zomato or something else, which is similar, a product, some kind of application. And you prepare the product roadmap. So whenever you develop any such product, you should understand the customer psychology, the customer expectations and demands, and accordingly build the product. So this is where your knowledge with respect to the product thinking, with respect to understanding the psychological understanding of person, this becomes very handy. This combined with other things like you should know AI basics, you should know have understanding of user experience. Communications, because this is the role where you communicate with a lot of other players working in the industry. It's not a standalone type of role. Analytics and agile methods. You can also search more about all these roles on Google to know more about them. Similarly, we have prompt engineer. Now, prompt engineer is a more direct role. As an example, whenever we talk about ChatGPT and other tools, we write prompts. So how well can you write a prompt to achieve the expected outcome? Then there are more advanced things within it, which is about workflows, designing, etc. So it's about designing the prompt for AI applications, evaluating the LLM outputs, and improving chatbot quality and workflows in it. Again, basic things you require: prompt engineering. Communication is a very important aspect of it. Output, AI evaluation, and you should have a decent understanding of AI tools. Again, does not demand any or significant level of coding in it. Also, on this Saturday, 4th June, especially we are organizing a free masterclass to help you out on how to break into data science and AI. Here we will be discussing about various roles which can be explored by UPSC aspirants and how can you get into those roles as swiftly and smoothly as much as possible. So you can find the link of for registering in the masterclass in the description of this video. Go ahead, register for it, join it. I'm sure you will have an absolute clarity about what are the various roles, what are the various, and how to break into them, what is needed to get into them, what is the right fit for you, which role is the right fit for you, and a lot of other things. Similarly, we have AI engineer. As the name itself says, here you will be designing, you will be engineering some of the products. So role will be developing Gen AI applications, integrating the large language models, LLMs, APIs into those products, building the AI agents. Another AI agents can do the whole work which you will be doing. This can act as a substitute for you in some situations. So how to design them, how to build them. Skills, again, it requires one level of coding. So things like Python, LLMs, prompt engineering, LangChain, APIs, vector databases. So it is a more, coding heavy and tech heavy role. Then we have decision scientist who can solve some business problems using analytics. So it requires decision scientist is more data driven and less AI driven. Here you will be designing various experiments, measuring the impact of those experiments, recommending some of the strategic decisions using data. So it's about how to derive insights from data and then accordingly making decisions. Skills like SQL, Python, statistics, experimentation, business acumen, because you will be taking some business decision, and storytelling. And various things which you develop as part of your UPSC preparation. Similarly, then we have another interesting role with respect to AI, which is AI strategic and operations, where you have to identify some of the AI related opportunities across various business units. What work can I automate using AI? And then coordinating and supporting in the implementation of that. Coordinating between the technical and business team. So you are not part of technical team. Your work is about identifying those opportunities, taking help of a tech team to ensure that it is implemented properly. So here you just need to know the basic fundamentals of AI, then some of those advanced Excel, SQL basics, business strategy, project management, stakeholder management, because your role will be more aligned towards this. It's about understanding the business demands and finding opportunity within there to use AI. Another very interesting role to be in, but obviously you need to have basic understanding of AI for these. It means what all work can AI do? How can it be implemented broadly? Implementation will be done by someone else. Then can be about applied AI research rules. Here, again, it requires a little bit of more, it's more tech and coding heavy. So experimenting with the AI models, training and evaluating them, building some research prototypes, benchmark models, and a lot more. It's more about research, more about tech. So here you need more advanced things like deep learning, NLP, research skills, and others. Then we have three basic roles: data analyst, business analyst, and data scientist. They have less to do with AI and more to do with data. So it's about collecting, cleaning, and analyzing some data set, building dashboards using Power BI or Tableau. So data visualization is an important part. Deriving some of the insights for business team, even though this role is more oriented towards business analytics, which we will discuss, but some of those deriving those insights rather. Tools, simple. Statistics, you should know. Advanced Excel, then SQL, Python, and data visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. Then another element of it, which is BA, which is Business Intelligence Analyst or Business Analyst, which is where you should have an understanding of data also, business also, and implementation of these insights in this. So designing the business dashboards is your role. Tracking various KPIs and business metrics, presenting the reports to the leadership team, again using data to improve the needs of the business. Taking out various KPIs by doing this data analysis and understanding and providing some of the insights about what next. Again, similar skills, but along with some business acumen plus communications. Because you will be directly working with the top leadership in it. Then another interesting role, which will be of data scientist. This is more heavy compared to data analyst or business analyst. It requires relatively more better understanding of data and technology. It involves a decent level of coding as well. So performing advanced data analytics, developing some predictive machine learning models, presenting recommendations using data. Here you will need things like number one, programming, number two, machine learning and deep learning, number three, statistics and probability, database management via SQL, and others, and interpersonal skills like communications. Again, the role of coding is now decreasing day by day because AI can also write that code for you. The role of soft skills is increasing day by day in all these roles. Also, role of holistic thinking, critical thinking, problem solving is increasing day by day. Similarly, then finally, we have, let's say, machine learning engineer role. Here, you will be working on building some of the machine learning models, deploying those models, improving their prediction accuracy, and a lot more. Here, you need some of the data engineering and manipulation skills apart from machine learning and deep learning and other basic skills as we discussed in the past. Now, there are many such roles, many ways to get into it, where you can directly leverage your UPSC preparation combined with some other basic skills to get into it. And we are going to discuss these things in our upcoming free masterclass, which is happening on 4th of July. Especially to support you, we are organizing this masterclass, how to break into data science and AI. Ensure that you join it if you are interested, even 1% interested in the areas of data science and AI, which are growing exponentially in India. You can find the link of it in the description of this video. If you found it beneficial, please, it's my humble request to all of you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support is the fuel to the vision of Rebounds. Thank you.